Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Rash, and in this video, I want to show you how you can install TubeBuddy on your YouTube channel, and why TubeBuddy is the best tool to get more views, subscribers, and watch time on your YouTube channel legitimately, just like a lot of YouTubers are doing, including our own YouTube channel. This video contains 6 steps, starting from how you can install the free version of TubeBuddy, to how you can use specific tools to get more views, subscribers, and watch time on your YouTube channel. After this tutorial, you will then be exposed to the TubeBuddy browser extension, which can help you find keywords and topics to make videos about. Save your time on YouTube with things like adding cards or end screens to all of your videos, or even let you know which thumbnails work best for your video by using its A/B testing lab. And the most interesting part is that it works for mobile phones too. So, stay tuned. But before we continue, let me quickly introduce you to our channel. This is Global Self-Learn channel, where we publish educational content daily on personal development and multiple skills, such as digital marketing, website developing and designing, YouTube channel creation and growing tips, blogging guides, and other interesting topic on how you can make more money online working from home. If any of these topics sound interesting to you, as something you would like to learn, then consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we publish new content like this. Alright, with that being said, let's continue. Step number 1 is how you can install TubeBuddy, the number 1 rated browser extension that can help you grow on YouTube. To install TubeBuddy for free, click on the very first link in the description below, and it will lead you to a correct place to install TubeBuddy based on its supported browser. The browser supported are Google Chrome,
Firefox,
Microsoft Edge, and Opera. Once your browser is on its install page, click on the button that says Install or Add to your browser. Then once you install, go over to YouTube and you will see the TubeBuddy drop-down menu. Click the TubeBuddy drop-down menu here, and you can sign in through the email that is tied to your YouTube account. Then select the channel that matches the channel you're signed in to your YouTube account. Since I'm signed in to TubeBuddy, I'll go ahead and select TubeBuddy. Then when this is done, you can then be exposed to the TubeBuddy browser extension, which can help you find keywords and topics to make videos about. Save your time on YouTube with things like adding cards or end screens to all of your videos, or even let you know which thumbnails work best for your video by using its A/B testing lab. And the most interesting part is that it works for mobile phones too. Now, the next thing is to show you the 5 specific tools you can use to get more views and subscribers. But please note that some of these tools will require a paid version of TubeBuddy, but all of the tools will be labeled with the license they require, including the free trial, which you can start now to use after this tutorial. And you may like to upgrade to a paid version if you continue to like and want more than what you see in the free trial. So, let's continue. Tool number 5, Videolytics. Videolytics is a great feature that lets you see how other successful content creators have tagged and shared their content. This is useful because it can give you better understanding of what another creator in your niche is targeting in YouTube search. And since you are in a similar niche, it can help you find places that creator isn't targeting. Finding places that creator is not targeting gives you a chance in search to stand out. Another great thing to do is take a look at the social monitor to see where their content were shared. Looking at Twitter, for an example, lets you engage with fans of that creator on another platform and give you an opportunity to interact with them. These are fans that have chosen to share out the content, so they're more engaged than just your standard YouTube commenter. This helps you broaden your community and lets you know what content their most dedicated fans are sharing from that content creator. Number 4. Keyword Explorer. The TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer is an expansion tool that helps you research what people are looking for around a topic. Keyword Explorer is available to free users. If we want to look up to how to get more views on YouTube, we can see how many people are looking for this on YouTube per month, how many videos there are for this topic, and overall unweighted score. And for paid members, our personalized weighted score using your channel data. The score is like a stoplight. Red means stop and consider another keyword to use. Yellow is to be cautious about that keyword, and green means you're good to go. However, make sure to look at the other factors within Keyword Explorer. Number 3. Playlist Organizer. Playlists are important on YouTube, and they help make your viewer easily watch one video after the other. With this TubeBuddy tool, it will help your playlist be even better. By heading to the playlist page, it lets you organize your playlist by clicking on a playlist and then hitting TubeBuddy action icon. This lets you sort for free by standard metrics, such as what's most popular or newest. It also offers miscellaneous options, such as alphabetical or, if in a group playlist, you can sort your videos first or in a random order. But for paid users, it lets you sort by which videos get you the most subscribers, which video have the highest average view duration, which video get the most likes and comment. This is really useful because if you want to earn more subscribers, having a playlist that converts people to subscribe to your channel is a great way to do that. Sometimes, you can choose to call this something like your channel best videos, or whatever name that will help the playlist to be more searchable and gives people an idea of what the playlist is all about. And this will help people watch a playlist with your videos, helping you get more views, subscribers, shares and many more. Number 2. Retention Analyzer. Knowing when people stop watching your content is important to get more views. Because if people leave before the end, they may not be suggested on another video. With Retention Analyzer, TubeBuddy look at your 25 most popular videos and your 25 most recent videos to find the average view duration. Then you can know at what point people are leaving, so you can add a card to try to engage them, or more importantly make additional changes, so those drops don't happen in your future YouTube video update. If you do add a card, you're likely to get more views because it helps encourage people to watch more of your content, instead of clicking away and watching something else. Number 1. Bulk Add Cards and End Screens. You can use your exciting videos to push to your most recent video. To do this, head to the My Videos pages, and bulk edit either cards or end screens. I will show you how to bulk edit cards, but it look the same or end screens. Using the time information we got from Retention Analyzer, place a card on a video at that time. Then follow the on-screen instructions and you can add that element to all of the videos that have a common drop-off. At that point, this is a great way to get them watching more of your content. On the end screen you can just select Best for Viewer, which is YouTube automatically suggesting something that is good for that specific viewer. It's important that you add a card right before to viewer drop-off point, because if people click off before the end, it could be that you have no end screen element if no one in the video makes it that far. Those are the 5 TubeBuddy tools that can make you get more views on YouTube. If you would like to get more views to your YouTube channel by using TubeBuddy tools, then click on the very first link in the description below and get started with the free trial. Also, since you have stayed till the end of this video, let me share with you my bonus tips. Number 1. If you want to learn how to create a website in 10 minutes without coding or programming, click on the second link in the description and watch the short tutorial. Then you will learn it in 5 simple steps, by using simple drag and drop method. After watching this tutorial, you won't even need to pay someone else to create a professional website for you. All you will need to do is get a domain and hosting with the right company and start building your own professional website by following the 5 simple steps in that video. Number 2 is how you can create a successful business PayPal account in Nigeria that send and receive money to your local banks. Just click on the third link below and watch the short video. But if you have a PayPal account already and you don't know how to withdraw your money to your local bank, then click on the fourth link below and watch the short video to learn how you can link your card and withdraw money to your Nigerian local bank. Our channel is dedicated to empower you with free tutorial and help you acquire more skills for more financial options. And if you like what you saw, then consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. See you on our next video.